Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites to avoid wasted time. First, check audio quality 44, 1K HZ or higher, mono or stereo, and trim obvious silence. Once done, open the software, create a project folder, and import your file. Choose the correct language and model size because accuracy depends on that choice. Make sure timestamps are enabled if you need timecodes. While you import, set the input format to match the file, so the pipeline runs without conversion delays. You now run the transcription and watch resource usage, CPU, GPU, memory, to judge speed. Once the pass finishes, use speaker diarization to separate voices and load any custom vocabulary to improve technical term accuracy. Make sure noise reduction and confidence threshold settings are applied. Those directly affect false positives. Then, review the auto-generated text linearly, focusing first on punctuation and names, and secondly on domain-specific phrases, because human edits are far faster when you prioritize likely error types. You finalize by exporting in the format your workflow needs: SRT for captions, VTT for web, JSON for structured data, or plain TXT. Once exported, verify by sampling 10 to 20% of the transcript against the audio to catch systemic errors. If you encounter repeated misrecognitions, rerun using a larger model or tweak noise reduction settings and custom vocabulary. This often fixes persistent mistakes. And if sync drifts, regenerate with timestamps enabled. This resolves most timing issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.